They don't like where you're going.
Who is this?
Oh, someone's at the door. No. Sorry, don't look, don't look. Yay! I like her. Sister Christensen.
Hi!
Okay, can I?
Just in time.
Dear Sister Arm Connect, you are hereby called to serve as a missionary of the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints. You are assigned to labor in the Montana Billings mission. Did you hear that? It is anticipated you will serve for 18 months. Hold on. You should report to the Provo Missionary Training Center on Wednesday, October 16th, 2013. You'll prepare to preach the gospel in the English language. Woo! Yeah, we like that language.
They like English.
Yeah.
October.
Sarah, you could live with my grandma. She has